Globe Business, we believe in the transformative power of connections. Through our reliable business-grade connectivity, we enable digital solutions that accelerate business innovation.
Success in business isn't just about numbers. It's about the relationships you build and nurture. To help entrepreneurs achieve this, Globe Business hosted the G Summit 2024 on Tuesday, August 13, with the theme, Connected for Success. At the summit, business owners, decision makers, and aspiring entrepreneurs connected, shared ideas, and gained valuable insights from prominent leaders in the business community. Among the speakers were Angeline Poe, Vice President for Product at Globe Business.
We at Globe Business understand these challenges. AI, for example, which is all the rage now, is revolutionizing how we approach operations.
Katie Dizon, VP and Head of Globe Business.
Our work lives, and these connections drive success in everything we do.
Josiah Go, author and marketing mentor.
Strategic partnering asks that question: how do I, who will help us externally deliver the value proposition?
And Aleli Arcilia, Managing Director of Mondelez Philippines Incorporated.
These powerhouse brands, we have been in the Philippines, like I said, for over 60 years and had started out, in fact, if you know, from the past, as Kraft Philippines before it was bought out by Mondelez.
Katie Dizon highlighted the importance of collaborative ecosystems for achieving digital success and fostering business innovation.
So, the collaborative approach drives new ideas and solutions, and this allows to connect diverse perspectives from employees, customers, partners, the communities. This collective effort leads to much more creative, effective, and impactful outcomes.
Dizon also stressed that forming strategic partnerships should involve all stakeholders, including startups, local communities, and government units.
We do these projects like for our fraud detection, we partnered with startups. And it has made our solutions much more robust for fraud detection. So we don't just, let's say, play with the big boys, because there's ideas everywhere. But bring something to the table. That's what's important.
Josiah Go, renowned for his expertise in connected marketing, offered insights on building effective business collaborations. He discussed the green and red flags to watch for in partnerships.
The communication is not there. I mean, from the very beginning, you're asking a question, it's not being answered, or it takes a long time to answer and you have to follow up. That's already a red flag. The opposite of what you should be watching out is that if a person, in fact, is taking the initiative to, really ask questions and say, okay, how do you want to take this forward? What do you think about this? This is how we think about this.
Both Dizon and Go addressed common challenges in strategic partnerships and provided strategies for overcoming them.
Reach out to them and you have to narrow down what you're trying to do together. Because if it's going to be a little bit too broad, then it's going to cause problems on who does what, why are you doing this, and then later on your metrics would probably be not so clear, so you don't know if it was a good partnership or not.
But the key question, plan ahead of time, is why is it a win to me and why is it a win to you? It's predefined. Because if you cannot find and if you cannot be convinced, why is it a win to me? It's a win to you, but why is it not a win to me? Then I'm not very sure if that partnership is going to last for a long time.
Globe Business G Summit regularly brings industry leaders to share best practices and insights to drive business growth in the Philippines. This has been 𝗚𝗽𝗻𝗻 for 𝗦𝘂𝗰𝗶𝗴, Cebu.